Have you ever seen those smooth map animations where the camera zooms into a country and thought, wow, that looks professional? Well, what if I told you that you can create the exact same effect in just a few minutes using Canva? Let me show you how. First, open a new Canva video project. Head over to Elements, add a map to the page, and scale it up until it fills the entire screen. Now, go to Animate. Select the tectonic animation and reduce the intensity all the way down to 0. Scale the map slightly so that no background edges are visible during the animation. Duplicate this page and remove all animations from the second one. Now, go back to Elements and search for your country map. In my case, I'll use India. Under the Graphics tab, choose a clean, flat design map. Leave the India map exactly as it is. Zoom out the page view. Slightly scale the world map so it matches proportionally with the India map. Once the sizing looks right, drag the India map and carefully place it over its exact location on the world map. Then, decrease the country map's transparency to 0. Duplicate the page. And this time, bring the country map's transparency up to 100. Select the world map, go to Edit, choose the blur effect, and increase it to around 10. Duplicate the page. Now, make the country map bigger and reduce the world map's transparency to about 15. This really draws attention to the country. Now, let's add some text. Hit T on your keyboard or go to the Text tab. Type your country's name, I'll write India, and place it on the left side. Change the text color to match your map. Go to Fonts and search for Yesiva 1 font and apply it for a bold, cinematic look. Set the text transparency to 0. Then go to Position, move the text layer underneath the country map layer. Duplicate the page. This time, move the text to the right, the map to the left, and bring the text transparency back to 100. Slightly increase its size for emphasis. Now click between your pages and select the Match and Move transition, set to 1.2 seconds. Apply it between all pages for a seamless zoom effect. Finally, trim your clips for perfect pacing. Page 1, 3 seconds. Here's a quick tip. Zoom in on the page thumbnails at the bottom of Canva. This makes it much easier to trim with precision instead of guessing. Page 2, 1.1 seconds. Page 3, 1.5 seconds. Page 4, 1.5 seconds. Page 5, 2 seconds. Of course, you can adjust these depending on whether you want a faster or slower animation. And that's it. You've just created a professional world map zoom animation in Canva. Perfect for travel videos, presentations, or any project where you want to highlight a country. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more Canva tips, and drop a comment with a country you'll try this effect on first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.